In this video, we are going to see how to create multiple products at a time by uploading a CSV file. We are currently in the product section. First, go to Product CSV Upload. From here, we can upload a CSV file to create multiple products. You can also download the product upload template. Click on Template, and the file will be downloaded. Open the template, and fill in the required columns with product data. Here enter a product name, unit of measurement, HSN number, product type. I have already created a sample file to show how the data should be entered. In the same way, you can create your own CSV file for upload. To upload the file, click on Browse. Select the CSV file from your system, and then click on Upload. Here our file is uploading. Once the upload is complete, you will see a success message. Here are 7 products created successfully, which means the products have been created successfully. Thank you for watching.